Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel or welcome for the first time. Today we're going to talk about 5 ways to improve your accent in Spanish. Número 1. Listen to native speakers.
Listen to me.
You can use my resources, but there are also 100,000 resources out there where you can listen to a native speaker and try to imitate how they speak and pronounce words. Imitation doesn't mean that you have to imitate their personality or anything. You're just imitating the way they speak. The last thing when you're learning a second language is putting your personality into that language. That's the last thing that you're gonna learn. Número 2. Practice speaking with a native speaker. I know this sounds obvious, but this is one of the most powerful ways to improve your accent. A tutor or a language exchange partner can help you practice your pronunciation and give you feedback to improve your accent. It is different to talk to a random native speaker that probably won't tell you what you're pronouncing wrong than actually having a tutor or a Spanish teacher. Número 3. Use pronunciation resources. There are so many resources available that can help you learn how to pronounce words correctly, such as pronunciation guides and videos. Número 4. Record yourself speaking. This can help you identify areas where you need to improve and give you a chance to listen to your own accent. Número 5. Take a class or course. Class or a course taught by a native speaker provide you with structured practice and feedback on your accent. Remember that improving your accent takes time and practice, so be patient and don't get discouraged. It's also important to remember that it's okay to have an accent. That's what makes you unique. I love my accent in English. I don't want it to sound perfect. I make mistakes, and it's nice that people know that this is your second language. But the most important thing is to be understood. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video and I hope to see you soon on my next one. Bye!